Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome to an adventure like no other. Get ready for a journey to the heart of Tennessee, where the landscapes are as diverse as they are beautiful. We're headed to the charming towns of Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge, two gems nestled in the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains. These towns offer a vacation experience unlike any other. Imagine breathtaking mountain vistas where the fog rolls in like a gentle whisper from nature itself. Picture charming shops that line the streets, each one offering unique treasures and souvenirs. Exciting attractions await around every corner. Get ready for delicious food that will tantalize your taste buds. From southern cuisine to international delights, the dining options are endless, and the warm hospitality will make you feel right at home. Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge have it all. Whether you're looking for thrilling theme parks, fascinating museums, or just a leisurely stroll through town, there's something for everyone. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a foodie, or just looking to relax and enjoy the scenery, you'll find it here. From zip-lining through the treetops to savoring local delicacies at a food festival, the possibilities are endless. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and let's explore. The Smokies are calling, and there's no better time to answer. Get ready to fall in love with the Smokies. The sunsets here are nothing short of magical, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. Capture these moments and make memories that will last a lifetime. Gatlinburg is a charming mountain town with something for everyone. It's a gateway to the awe-inspiring Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Start your adventure at the park's Sugarlands Visitor Center. Learn about the park's diverse ecosystem. Hike along scenic trails. Enjoy breathtaking views from overlooks like Klingman's Dome. For a unique perspective, ride the Ober-Gatlinburg aerial tramway. This iconic attraction takes you up the mountainside. Enjoy stunning views and fun activities at the top. Don't miss Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies. This world-class aquarium features a variety of marine life. Walk through an underwater tunnel, come face to fin with sharks and sea turtles. Pigeon Forge is known for its dazzling entertainment and family fun. Nestled in the heart of the Smoky Mountains, this vibrant town offers a plethora of activities and attractions that cater to all ages and interests. Whether you're seeking thrilling adventures, captivating shows, or a relaxing day out with the family, Pigeon Forge has it all. At the top of the list is Dollywood. This iconic theme park is a must-visit destination for anyone coming to Pigeon Forge. This world-famous theme park, owned by the legendary Dolly Parton, offers thrilling rides, captivating shows, and southern hospitality. From adrenaline-pumping roller coasters to heartwarming live performances, Dollywood provides an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. Don't miss the chance to explore the beautifully themed areas and indulge in delicious southern cuisine. The island in Pigeon Forge is another must-visit. This entertainment complex is a hub of excitement and fun. This entertainment complex features a giant Ferris wheel that offers breathtaking views of the surrounding area, especially at night when it's beautifully illuminated. Enjoy exciting rides, live music, and unique shops. The island is perfect for a day of family fun, with a variety of attractions that will keep everyone entertained. From thrilling rides to relaxing strolls through the shops, there's something for everyone. Step back in time at the Titanic Museum attraction. This impressive museum is a tribute to the ill-fated ship and its passengers. This impressive museum tells the story of the Titanic through interactive exhibits and artifacts. Visitors can explore detailed recreations of the ship's interior, view personal belongings of passengers, and even experience what it was like to walk the Grand Staircase. Pigeon Forge offers a wide range of shows and attractions. The town is brimming with entertainment options that cater to all tastes. From country music reviews to magic shows, there's something to entertain everyone. Whether you're a fan of live music, comedy, or theatrical performances, Pigeon Forge has a show that will captivate and delight you. So come and experience the magic of Pigeon Forge, where entertainment is always at the heart of the action. Get ready for some finger-licking good food. The Smoky Mountains are famous for their southern comfort food. No trip is complete without trying some local favorites. Indulge in mouth-watering barbecue. From pulled pork sandwiches to smoky ribs, there are endless options to satisfy your cravings. Start your day with a stack of fluffy pancakes. Pancake houses are a staple in the Smokies. Enjoy a variety of flavors and toppings. Don't forget to try some local specialties. Sample fried green tomatoes, biscuits and gravy, and sweet potato casserole. Your taste buds will thank you. Adventure awaits. Outdoor thrills. The Great Smoky Mountains offer a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Lace up your hiking boots and hit the trails. Choose from easy nature walks to challenging summit hikes. For an adrenaline rush, try zip lining. Soar through the treetops and enjoy breathtaking views of the mountains. Take a scenic drive along the Blue Ridge Parkway. This iconic road offers stunning vistas and opportunities for wildlife viewing. Go fishing in pristine mountain streams. Rent a kayak or canoe and explore the peaceful waters of Fontana Lake. Section 6. Uniquely Smoky Mountain Experiences. Discover the unique culture and traditions of the Smoky Mountains. Visit a moonshine distillery and learn about the history of this Appalachian spirit. Sample different flavors and take home a jar or two. Explore the Great Smoky Arts and Crafts community. This 8-mile loop is home to talented artisans. Find handcrafted pottery, jewelry, wood carvings, and more. Attend a dinner show. Enjoy a delicious meal and live entertainment. Choose from a variety of themes, including country music, gospel, and comedy. Section 7. Planning your Smoky Mountain escape. The Smoky Mountains are a breathtaking destination, offering a variety of experiences for every type of traveler. The best time to visit the Smoky Mountains depends on your preferences. Each season brings its own unique charm and activities. Spring and fall offer pleasant temperatures and vibrant foliage. In spring, the mountains come alive with blooming wildflowers, creating a colorful and fragrant landscape. Fall, on the other hand, transforms the mountains into a tapestry of red, orange, and yellow leaves, making it a photographer's paradise. Summer is peak season, with warm weather and plenty of activities. From hiking and fishing to ziplining and whitewater rafting, there's no shortage of adventure. The long days and sunny skies make it perfect for exploring the great outdoors. Winter brings a cozy atmosphere and opportunities for snow sports. Imagine sipping hot cocoa by a roaring fire after a day of skiing or snowboarding. The snow-covered peaks and serene landscapes offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge offer a wide range of accommodations. Whether you're looking for a luxurious hotel, a quaint bed and breakfast, or a rustic cabin, you'll find the perfect place to stay. Choose from cozy cabins, hotels, motels, and campgrounds. Getting around is easy. Many accommodations offer stunning views of the mountains, and some even have hot tubs and fireplaces for added comfort. Drive your own car, rent a car, or use ride-sharing services. The roads are well maintained, and there are plenty of scenic drives to enjoy. Trolleys offer convenient transportation within Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge. They are an affordable and fun way to get around, with stops at major attractions and shopping areas. Plan your trip in advance, especially if you're visiting during peak season. This ensures you get the best rates and availability for accommodations and activities. Make reservations for accommodations, attractions, and dinner shows. Popular attractions can fill up quickly, so booking ahead is essential. Enjoy your Smoky Mountain escape. Section 8. Ready to embrace the Smokies? Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge offer an unforgettable vacation experience. From breathtaking mountain scenery to thrilling attractions and warm hospitality, there's something for everyone in the Smokies. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Smoky Mountain adventure today. Pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. The Smokies are calling. Will you answer? Section 9. Share your Smoky Mountain story. Have you experienced the magic of Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge? We'd love to hear about your adventures. Share your favorite memories, tips, and photos with us. Let's inspire each other to explore these incredible destinations.